also almost got hit by a trailer. Alright, that was disgusting. Look at that. That's freaking so pretty. Hi everyone. So today I am going solo camping. So I'm just grabbing last minute things. I just got off from Brantford Surplus to get a tarp, a grill, and some rope. Now I'm just going to Sobeys to see if I can go get some alcohol there because LCBO is on strike right now, and I still do need to get some ice, and I might do some s'mores. So I bought those like metal sticks things, and yeah. Guys, I'm here. I got everything set up. I'm cooking some rice over here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my little campsite. This is where I'm gonna be sleeping. I already got everything set up. Got my bed here, my clothes over there, and just some extra stuff over here. And then over here, my little camp, I got all of like the food stuff. So like my pots and pans, I got some oil over there and some other stuff. And this is my cooler and my firewood, you know, the general stuff. There's a little washroom here and like a washing station, but I don't know where I can get some water. Let's check it out. All right, that was disgusting. I just wanted to go for a drive and I saw this path. And oh my God, look at this. Ooh. That is literally so pretty. And I left my car back there. Obviously, I won't be able to go through here if I took my car, duh. So I'm just gonna go watch a little sunset. Oh my God. Look at that. That's freaking so pretty. Mother Nature is literally so pretty. Like, look at that. But I have to head back to my car just in case it got ran over or something. I don't know. I literally just made the perfect marshmallow. I already ate. I think this is my 4th one already, and they're so good. Good morning, everyone. It's now 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go for a run. I have 9 kilometers scheduled for today, and we're gonna go to the beach today and hopefully fix my ugly ass tan. Literally actually freezing. I just changed into my alchemized sweatsuit. Check it, check it, check it. Anyways, just walking to the washroom Let's go. We're at 2 kilometers and I just saw this little walkway into the river. And look, more lily pads everywhere. And that concludes our 9.37 kilometer run. It was my first time going on the trail and oh my god, so hard, so many hills. So just heading to the showers now. Just cooking up some bacon and just reheating. That's the rice. And I brought iced tea with me since I couldn't find any liquor. And got some eggs over here. I forgot to bring a bowl, so I'm just gonna use a cup. And just cooking all of those. And we're gonna be eating. And then I'm gonna barbecue some pork belly. Just cooking some liempo now. I'm back from the beach and I'm just cooking dinner now. I have fish and I'm just going to fry some fish and it'll be good to go for dinner. And I'm gonna go watch the sunset afterwards. So let's put it in. And dinner is served. I got some rice. I made some sauce. It has onion, soy sauce, lemon, tomatoes, and the fish that we fried. And that's dinner. I'm just in the car right now and I saw a spot earlier on my run, so I'm just gonna go there. I was gonna walk and then I realized I left my flashlight and it's gonna get dark after I come back because I'm gonna be watching the sunset. So I'm just gonna take my car. Hopefully there's parking there. We're here. Oh my god. The whole sky looks like a rainbow. That's kind of nice. I'm just heading back to the campsite before it gets way too dark because I am carrying a lot of stuff and I don't have extra hands with me. I'm just not walking to go shower and freshen up a little bit because I did go to the beach and I did go for a little swim. So I'm just gonna go have a little shower and I am kind of hungry too. So I might just eat. And I am planning to wake up a little bit earlier so that I can still pack and go for my run tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So right now I'm just starting to take down tents and start packing, and I am still gonna go for a run after. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna cook or not because I still have a lot of leftovers. So I might just eat that, but I'm not sure. I might cook. I don't know yet. Just heading out to the washroom because I have had to pee since I woke up and I have not. And then right after I pee, I'm gonna go for my run. And after that, I still don't know if I'm gonna cook or I'm just gonna eat the leftovers. We will see. My watch died at 0.75 kilometers. So I don't know where I'm going or how fast I'm doing, my pace or anything. So Yeah, and I just stopped by at this like fishing pond, I guess. I think I'm almost at the office center. And then after that, I think I'm just gonna ask for directions because I don't know where I'm going. I've just been following this road. And I also almost got hit by a trailer. So that's nice. We reached dunes. Now I think I'm almost close to my campsite. After that, we're just gonna go shower, and then we're gonna change, and then we're gonna pack up and go to the beach. I just got back in. That was so much fun. I basically just looped around the entire campsite, and now I'm just gonna go take a shower, get ready, hopefully cook. I still don't know. And then pack up my things. I'm just cooking up some brunch now. Got burger patties. I still have leftover rice, and I already packed everything. So after I eat, I'm just gonna go to the beach and relax, and I'm just gonna go tan. And yeah, and that's all for this solo camping vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time.